It started as a routine traffic stop. A vehicle swerving slightly. Late evening patrol. Lights activated. But what officers discovered turned a simple stop into something far more serious. Inside the courtroom of David Fleischer, the prosecutor laid out the timeline. When officers approached the vehicle, the driver handed over a valid-looking driver's license. The name matched the card. The photo looked similar enough. But something didn't sit right. A database check revealed the license belonged to someone who had passed away months earlier. The courtroom murmured. Defense counsel quickly acknowledged the seriousness, but urged the court to consider intent. They claimed the defendant had purchased the ID, unaware it belonged to a deceased individual. But that wasn't the only issue. As officers attempted to detain him, body cam footage showed the vehicle suddenly lurch forward. An officer stepped back quickly to avoid being struck. The prosecution argued that the movement was intentional, an attempt to flee that could have resulted in serious injury. Defense countered that it was panic, a reflex. No contact was made. No officer was harmed. Judge Fleischer focused on two things: identity fraud and the near collision. Using someone else's identification, he stated, undermines the integrity of the system. Using the identity of a deceased person raises even more serious concerns. The judge reviewed the footage carefully. The officer's voice could be heard yelling commands. The vehicle's brake lights flashed. Then forward motion. The courtroom held its breath. Defense insisted there was no clear acceleration, only a brief roll. The prosecutor emphasized that officers must not be placed in danger during lawful detentions. Judge Fleischer leaned forward. When someone attempts to avoid accountability by deception and then escalates a stop into a dangerous situation, this court must respond appropriately. Bond arguments followed. The prosecution requested a higher bond due to risk of flight and public safety concerns. Defense sought moderate conditions, arguing the defendant had local ties. After reviewing the record, Judge Fleischer set bond with strict reporting requirements and ordered surrender of any identification documents. No driving privileges. Compliance monitoring. Before concluding, he added, fraud creates one problem. Risking someone's safety creates another. Both carry consequences. The gavel struck. A simple traffic stop had revealed layers of deception and nearly caused a tragedy. The lesson? Shortcuts around the law often lead to bigger consequences than the original problem.